Yeah, welcome to the channel, guys, in the place where you design your reality. So today we're going to be doing Deriv real account opening. So last time we were doing a demo account opening, but this time we're going to focus mainly on opening the real account. So let's get into it. All right, as you can see, this is the demo version of the account where you can see your chart. And I want you guys to first go here. Okay. So on top there, you see real and demo. All right. I want you to press on real. Now on real, just like before, it'll ask you to add a specific account. So just like we did before, we're first going to create a Deriv account. So we say add. All right, so it's going to take you to this particular screen. This screen, it's going to ask you which currencies you want to trade in. I prefer the US dollar, so we're going to pick that. And then you come down here and say next. So here it's going to ask you to put your name and your particulars. So basically, you just fill in the name. We're going to say Tony. The details, birth. Yeah, I'm a March baby, so let's do it. Don't put your phone number. Say next. All right, now it's going to take you to page 3. In page 3, they're going to basically ask you for your home address, the city where you stay, the province, and your postal code or zip. So let's fill that in. All right, so when you've done filling in your details, we move to the next step. All right, you're going to get to step 4, and in step 4 they're going to ask you about the terms and conditions, whether you want to accept. Make sure that you go through this and read to a point where you understand, and then you tap down here and you agree, and it'll give you the option to add the account. So let's wait for it while it's loading. Now, it'll give you this information that your account is ready. Fund your account and start trading. All right, so the next video, we're going to be talking about how to transfer your funds. But when this is done, let's link this account to your MetaTrader 5. So this is your real account. You see it by the US dollar sign showing there, and the balance. When you deposit, that balance changes. So just like before, you tap here. Just like before, right? You go to add. So like we said before, we want to add synthetic indices. So you go and put your password here. All right, so right here you get a message saying success and congratulations. You have successfully created your real DMT5 synthetic account. To start trading, transfer funds from your Deriv account into this account. Awesome. Now, you can say transfer now or maybe later. All right, so just like before, since you've opened your synthetic indices account, you tap it, you enter, and you copy the broker. Remember that the broker that we're using is Deriv Limited. You copy the server you copy the login as well as your password. Don't forget your password. You use it everywhere. All right. So now let's go to MT5. All right, guys, we're here on MT5. I want you to go up here and tap and go to manage accounts. All right, same process as before. We say add, right? We look for Deriv Limited. If it's not showing on your screen, you can search for it on the find broker bar there. So now let's enter Deriv Limited. So when we're here in Deriv Limited, since you copied the login details here, you just paste it right there, as well as your password. And the server is Deriv server 2, right? You say login. Now, we've logged in to our real account. The balance that will be reflecting is 0 because we haven't deposited anything into it. But the minute you transfer money onto your MetaTrader account, it'll show immediately. All right, guys, this was the tutorial on how to open a real Deriv account. I hope it helped you, and remember, you design your own reality.